I'm Hollywood Savage Patty, and you've caught me relaxing in my tiki bar. When I heard that Deadhead Rum would be sponsoring the Ohana Cocktail Contest, I thought, that's great. But do I really believe that I can come up with a cocktail that could make it to the finals? Yeah, that's what a fool believes. Then I found out the theme would be yacht rock. Then I decided, yeah, I'm gonna be there, because I love yacht rock. Now, I have to admit, I've never actually been on a yacht. I've never sailed away to where I always heard it could be. Never been on even a Pablo cruise. First, I live in the middle of cornfields. And second, well, I'm no rich girl who can rely on her old man's money. It's bitch girl. The closest I've ever been to a yacht is a barely lake-worthy pontoon. Well, and one time in Key West. That's a different story. So yacht rock. A fun fact everyone might not know is that Wikipedia credits the Foms' own Dave Larson with coining that phrase. Cool, I know that guy. But not everyone is on board with the joys of yacht rock. Music critics, those cynical bastards, not you have, and the unenlightened have called it bland, overprocessed studio cheese. To them I say, hold the line. That isn't always on time. And who doesn't like a little cheese now and then? And you can keep your hard, stinky variety. I will take mine. Smooth, easy, and cheesy any day. That's mellow gold. But which yacht rock song should I pick? There are so many smooth grooves to choose from. And not everybody agrees who is and isn't a yacht rocker. Just ask a hardcore Crosby, Stills, Nash fan. But everyone should agree that the mighty Loggins and Messina sail the seas of yacht rock. Gentle knights from the fortress of smoothitude. Yacht rock royalty? Yacht rock admiralty. So I chose their first charting single from 1971, a song called Vihibala. It's a man recalling his younger days at sea, when he would sneak off the boat at night to go ashore for wild rum parties with the natives, and then try to get back before dawn, and the captain realized he'd been gone. I don't know, something about that song just speaks to me. So I looked up Vihibala. Turns out it's not a place, not even a word. It's just something that Loggins liked the sound of. Later, he called it a made-up fantasy island. Well, okay, I can go for that. The song also mentions Jamaica as a destination, so it's there I've traveled, figuratively, for cocktail inspiration. For the first of my two juices, I've chosen fresh lemon juice. The second is pomegranate juice. Now, they do grow pomegranates in Jamaica, but they don't export a lot of juice to my neck of the cornfield. So this organic, not from concentrate, certified kosher, pomegranate juice is from Azerbaijan. Oddly enough, I could not find any yacht rock songs that mention Azerbaijan, so we'll stick with Jamaica. My next ingredient is very Jamaican, and that's pimento dram. I have made my own in the past, but it's kind of time-consuming, and while I've been feeling very laid back and mellow from all the yacht rock I've been listening to, so for this cocktail I'm using the very nice St. Elizabeth's Allspice Dram. For my strong, of course, Deadhead Rum. Now my sweet, and here's where I ran into, well, a little bit of rough seas. I tried all the usual suspects. I tried simple syrup and brown sugar syrup and honey mix, and none of them were right. Then I thought, well, there are a couple of drinks I really enjoy that use a ginger-infused syrup. So I tried that, and it was better, but I kept looking for a sign in the middle of the night, but I couldn't see the light. I couldn't get it right. Then I thought, well, I'll add the zest of an orange to my ginger infusion. Once I tried that, I decided, this is it. Make no mistake where you are. This is it. You're going no further. So those are the ingredients of the Bahivula. Enjoy the song while I mix them up. Okay, now for the garnish. Not only is Yacht Rock smooth, it's also fun as hell. So I wanted something fun for my garnish. So I have made a little orange peel boat. All her flags are flying. And for cargo, I'm going to add in some Culinary Crystals carbonated sugar that I have flavored pomegranate. So that would be homemade Pop Rocks, or in our case, homemade Yacht Rocks. So there is the Bahivula. Here's to smooth sailing. Cheers.